Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today you see the title, so you know what we're about. Today we're going to be making pumpkin dumpling, right? So pumpkin dumpling we're going to make today. So don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, share this video with a friend. So for this video you need some flour and pumpkin. So here we have 1 pound of flour and we also have a pound of pumpkin. Okay guys, so you see them pumpkin here? And them pumpkin here use and make some rich pumpkin rice. You see how the color and in the pumpkin is very rich. This is a dry piece of pumpkin. So first you want to ensure that you remove the skin from the pumpkin. And then we're going to grater the pumpkin. So you want to ensure you get a piece of grater and you use the small part, the fine part of the grater, right, like the front here, and you're going to grater the pumpkin. Yes guys, you have to grater the pumpkin. If you have a shredder, you can use it and shred the pumpkin, but it is ideal to use a grater to grate the pumpkin very fine. This is how the pumpkin is looking after it have been grated, right? Very soft. So what we're going to be doing now is we're just going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt to the pumpkin, right? And after adding the teaspoon of salt, we're going to massage or rub the salt into the pumpkin. So we're just going to continue to massage or rub the salt in. Afterwards, we're going to take some of the flour little by little and add to the pumpkin, and as we add, we're just going to rub it in the grated pumpkin. So you're going to add the flour, rub it in, add the flour and rub it in until everything is fully combined, just like this, right? But remember, at this time though, the pumpkin and the flour all together is going to become sagged or too clammy. So what you want to do is ensure that you had enough flour. Okay guys, so we're now going to make the dough. But point to note, the pumpkin that you're using, if it's a dry pumpkin, when you grate the pumpkin, you must keep in the back of your mind or your head that when you grate it, it is moist, right? So it's not going to be dry. When you grate the pumpkin, it is going to be moist. Hence, when you're kneading or adding flour to the grated pumpkin, you want to ensure that you had enough flour so that it doesn't become too sticky to your finger. So here we have our pot of dumpling. You know, we can left out the 2 pieces of banana and the sweet potato and you name it. Okay, so we're just going to leave the dumpling there to boil for about 15 to 20 minutes. Look at them guys. They make the pot so colorful. So the sweet potato and with bananas. You know, we can't eat the dumpling alone. And our yam, real Jamaican style, not so dumpling, right? So you're just going to leave it there to boil until the dumpling is cooked. I do hope you enjoy this video. Look at it guys, and here we have it, our pumpkin dumpling. Guys, trust me, you see them dumpling here, or them look firm and strong? Yes, them strong and thick and solid, just like a cornmeal dumpling. Them not soft guys. I guarantee you they are not soft. They are hard and they can fill you guys. them work wonders. Just like the caramel dumpling, they can fill you guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Want to check out more of our videos? Check these out.